everyone! Today I am testing out DJI's latest drone, the Neo. I know everywhere else in the world has gotten it for a full month, and here in the US we just got our hands on it in October. And I want to see if this lightweight, budget-friendly drone can take your vlogs to the next level. So I have been using my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for my vlogging, and now with the DJI Neo, I'm hoping to add some epic aerial shots. So let's unbox this thing together. I got some extra blades, charging cable, a registration for the 3 battery combos. Got 2 battery and then one, and that it's already in the bag. Look at how small this drone is. It weighs just 135 grams. Now this is with the battery already installed in the unit right here. So I think it's very perfect to throwing it into your bag for travel, and with all this guard you're not gonna be like squeezing into your into the blade, so that's perfect to just tuck it into anywhere in the backpack. And when you put it side by side next to a little bit more advanced mini drone, this is the DJI Mini 2, you do see there is a very noticeable differences in the size once the wing of the drone is spread out, and also there is a very noticeable weight difference. I think that's almost like a little over 100 grams of difference. The DJI Neo is 100 grams lighter than the DJI Mini 2 here. Now let's talk about what makes the DJI Neo interesting for vloggers like me. Now first, it has a 12 megapixel camera that shoots 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Now for such a tiny drone, the footage is surprisingly smooth thanks to rock steady stabilization. It also has built-in AI tracking, so whether you are hiking, biking, or just walking through a city, you can get dynamic hands-free shots without even needing a remote. Now let's test its portability. So as you can see, it's very small, small enough that it would just fit in my pocket like this. The fact that it can take off from your palm is a huge plus for vloggers who needs to move quickly. And with the voice commands or smartphone controls, you don't even need to pull out a bulky remote. You can focus on capturing your adventure. Now, I know if you pair the Neo with the newer DJI RC N3, N2 or the RC2 remote, you gain much more functionality and can manually adjust the exposure for more professional footage. But if you are just a casual vlogger, the added functionality may be too complex in my opinion. Now let's take a look at the footage quality. The DJI Neo shoots at 4K, and while it's not aimed at pro-level videographers, the clarity and the stability are impressive for such a small drone. For its price, this is solid 4K performance. It might not have the advanced feature of bigger drones, but for vloggers who want easy aerial shots, this is definitely a win. So is the DJI Neo worth it for vloggers? Now that's my opinion here. If you need a portable, lightweight drone that is easy to use, captures smooth 4K footage, and has plenty of smart features for hands-free shooting and doesn't break the bank, the drone is only $199, and I'd say it's definitely worth a look. And if you want more flight time, the 3-battery combo pack for $289 is justifiable price tag. Let me know in the comments, would you use the DJI Neo in your vlogs, or are you going to spend that money to buy this little drone? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick gear reviews for non-pro users like us. And thank you very much for watching. I'll catch up next time. Bye.